Hey y'all. Last year, me and the missus, after Halloween, bought us one of them fog machines from Walmart. And we got it on a good price, cheap and stuff. And this year, we're finally breaking it out. Well, something I learned about fog machines is you need a chiller. Otherwise, it's just a smoke machine. Instead of the heavy vapor that comes out, just kind of flies away like a smoke cloud. So, this video, we're going to build us a chiller so we can make the fog machine stay to the ground. Let's get that. Alright, the only thing you're going to need to make this fog machine cooler is a container, which I would recommend a cooler if you can get it to keep the ice cold longer. Cool, but a container with a lid. We're just doing it cheap this year. Duct tape, so we can have something to stick the flex to on the outside edges, because we don't want no air leakage. I would say silver tape for this, but we're sticking to plastic. So let's use duct tape, it's going to stick better. You're going to need some fart fan flex. You can get 4-inch, 8-foot for, I think I paid $10 at Home Depot, which is an embarrassment I paid for fart fan flex. But $10. And then you're going to need something to cut your holes with. 2 4-inch holes. You're going to need an inlet on one side and an outlet on the other. So let me start marking, and I'll get with y'all on the next part. Alright, my measurements I came up from the bottom 1 inch, and then 2 inches to find my center. And then from there is 2 out, 2 out, 2 out, 2 out. Now we're just going to kind of freehand make us a circle. If you got a hole saw, this would be a lot easier. All you need is your center. But the good thing about fart fan flex is it bends. Alright, now I'm going to take my Dremel tool, cut this out, and I'll get back to you on that next part after I cut it. Alright, we got our hole cut. We got our fart fan flex stuck through. Just stick it through like a ring or two. Now we're just going to take our duct tape. I'm just going to stick us down real good. And we're going to do this all the way around. We don't want no air leakage. I may do a little bit of overkill on mine, but it's going to be what it is. But I'm going to start with, so it doesn't fall in. And when you're done, you're just going to do the exact same thing to the other side of this, but your tub or container. So let me get this taped up, and we'll get to you after that. And there we go. All niced up, taped up, and not so pretty. But it'll do. It'll do. Now we're going to move on to the other side, do the same thing, and there's no point in me recording all that, so I'll just go ahead and do it and get with y'all when I'm done with it. It's going to be the exact same thing, but on the other side. And this is what we're trying to fight. It comes out, and it smokes JC out. See how it's raising? We want this thing to, that's not a fog, that's a burning building. When the missus gets back with the ice, we'll show y'all what we're doing. Go. Alright, now we add ice to it. Let's see. Pull this thing off. Let's see if we can actually get the fog out of the fog machine. All we gotta do. Now I did drill some holes in the bottom of this for water to drain as it melts. Put a lid on her. Try to keep some of this stuff cool. Alright, put them right here, back. Let's see if we can get a fog this time now. That's so much better.
Wow. You gotta do like, oh, wow.
A little bit better, just the breeze is rolling through here, it's just
Yeah.
shoving it out.
Yeah, we get it put off, we'll be much better. Plus it needs to cool down a little bit more.
Wow.
Wow.
And there we go.